Hello student, welcome to our e-learning class. Today I will explain you chapter number 9, Participles. Participles have several different functions in the English language. So let's make them clear and easy to understand. Let's know about the participle. First question, what does participle mean or what is a participle? Then the answer is the word participle comes from a Latin word which means a sharing or partaking, or in other words, participations. Let's understand the definition of a participle. A participle is a form of the verb that is used together with another verb to form certain sentences. Let's try to understand through some examples. I am eating an apple. Here, eating is a form of a verb eat. It is used together with another verb am to make the present progressive tense. So, eating is a participle here. And in another example, I have washed the dishes. Here, washed is a form of the verb wash and it is used together with another verb washed to make the present perfect tense. So, washed is a participle in this sentence. We know that in English there are mainly two kinds of participles, the present participles and the past participles. First of all, let's try to understand present participle. The present participle ends in ing. For example, walking, helping, drinking, and taking are the example of present participles. Now let's see the uses of present participles. The present participle is used together with the verb be to form the progressive tenses. For example, past progressive, present progressive, future progressive, past perfect progressive, present perfect progressive, and future perfect progressive. Here the meaning of the progressive is continuous. So we can say that present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, and so on. Let's see the examples of present participles. They are dancing together right now. John was painting the wall all morning. I will be sleeping by the time you come back. Here dancing, panting and sleeping are present participles. Now let's see the past participle. The past participle ends in d or ed in case of a regular verb or differently in case of an irregular verb. Now some examples are given here of past participle. Walked, helped, drunk and taken are the example of past participle. Where the past participle is used. The past participle is used together with the verb have to form the perfect tense. For example, past perfect, present perfect and future perfect. Now see the example of past participle. They have danced together in the past. John had painted the wall before he sold the house. I will have fallen asleep by 8 o'clock tomorrow. The past participle is also used together with the help verb be to form passive sentences. Now let's see another example of past participle. The wall was painted by John. The apple was eaten by me. We were given some good advice. Here painted, eaten and given are example of past participle. Both the present participle and past participle can be used as adjectives. Here some examples are given of present participle and past participle. Boring, interesting, confusing, amazing, annoying and exciting are the examples of present participle, while bored, interested, confused, amazed, annoyed, and excited are the examples of past participle. So, dear student, it was the chapter participles. I hope you learn very well about the participles.